In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and delete leave types. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. You do need to have your enterprise selected. If you don't have enterprise permissions, you won't be able to adjust leave types. Then click on Leave. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Types. You should now see a list of all of the leave types your employees can choose from when they're requesting time off. To create a new leave type, click the Add button at the top of the chart. Enter in a code for this leave. Then give the leave a name. Maybe I will say Other. If you want this leave type to correlate with other programs, enter that external ID in there. Then choose a project or task. I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. Then choose the accrual type, whether this is paid leave, unpaid leave, or something else. I'll go ahead and say this is paid. Next, you need to decide whether this leave counts towards their maximum hours for the week. Because this leave is paid, I'm going to say yes. It does count towards the maximum hours they can be scheduled. If this was unpaid leave, I might say no. If this is a blackout day, meaning no one can schedule leave for this day, then hit the blackout. That's not what this is, so I'm not going to do that. If you don't want to add this leave, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now my other leave has been added to the list of options employees can choose from. If I want to edit that leave, let's say I don't want it to be paid, I can click on Other, change this from paid to unpaid, and then choose Save. And now if you look at Other, you'll see it is marked as unpaid. If you want to delete a leave, click on that leave, then choose Delete from the chart. Teamwork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that leave. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to click OK. And now that leave type has been deleted from the options available to your employees. That's how you can add, edit, and delete leave types. Check out the next video to learn more about your Teamwork 5 account.